took this trade in the H period, the way it was stepping up and the way we couldn't get below the overnight low there in F period. I thought it was going to, retrace that whole, you can see the kind of the bubble in the volume profile there towards the top where I have my orders. When that H pulled back like that, I should have entered another set of contracts, but it just happened so fast and all of this was moving so quickly that I couldn't make adjustments fast enough. You can see Quantower did their new update, so you can adjust the tabs out in the middle. So I was kind of thrown off by that too. I'd almost forgot that happened. So when they popped up on the screen, I was a little disoriented. But right here, I'm looking for my 27. We're going to pop up there. It's going to get real close, and I take that first one to get it off. This is pretty shaky up here. So right here, I take that first one, get that out of the way. Now I'm looking to break that E high or get up to the value area high. And I'm anticipating this, rotating. So I'm not really looking for it to move higher. But if it did, I would be looking up towards the POCs there from yesterday. That arrow is on the green line, which is a settlement from yesterday. I try to squeeze out my 40 ticks here. But, in the big picture, I'm assuming we're going to rotate back and forth. That's what we've been doing. This kind of throws me off because I thought we would break that E high here. And kind of regretting not just taking it there at the value area high. But it does start to settle down a little bit. And I can see that there's quite a bit of volume and support on the way up there. So I thought, I thought I'd give it a chance. Even on this second time, I kind of feel like that was a mistake, not taking it right there. Would have made sense. And even here, I'm thinking of moving that stop up, basically to that value area high. That's what I'm looking at there. I just kept thinking it was going to break, and then it falls off again. This is kind of what happened yesterday. If you look over to the left of the screen, you can see where I period kind of swept down under that half back and started doing this, basically rotating. And I was waiting for that F period, but it never broke below there. I thought it would break below the overnight low, and I'd have a chance to get it, and I never did. So I was waiting, like I said, in this H period when it opened. I really should have added more contracts in that H period when it popped down there below that G and snapped back like that. But like I said, it was just too fast. At this point, I'm looking at that poor high with the EH high. I feel like there's no way they're going to let that go without taking out that poor high or fixing that poor high. So that gives me a little bit more incentive, to hold on to this. And it had settled down by now. I was trying to fix that poor high. I think I even moved my stop back a little bit just to give it a little bit more room. If you made it this far in the video, I just wanted to take a second while the market grinds around here to thank everybody for all the subs, likes, and shares. I've said before, I started doing these videos or posting these videos so that I could go back and watch my trades and kind of, tweak some of the things or some of the problems that I thought I had. I like seeing my, my thought process in the trades. But if it also helps other people, then that's even better, even if it's just watching me make mistakes. But I do appreciate all the support. I keep thinking here that they're going to want to fix this poor high. So, and I'd rather shoot for it than get out of this. This would have been about 21 ticks. I think I got about 25 on that first one. And I just thought it'd be better to try than to, just take a 20 tick shot here. As we start moving up this second time, or I'm sorry, the third time here, there's just no way, they're going to take it. And what I really want to do is put that stop up underneath there. But they're going to take it, or it's going to take me out, basically. I'm not letting it come back on me again. So I'm looking for that value area high. That's about 30, some ticks. Right here, we're at about 33. Then we pop above it and I take it right there and that ends up being 32 ticks.